with DDM, we have been able to do much more without requiring more people. Design engineers now spend their time doing designs, not managing data. I would say before, between 25 to 50% of an engineer's time used to be spent managing data, trying to retrieve data or trying to correct data. Now that has just simply disappeared, and engineers are just designing what they need to design, and then DDM takes care of the rest. So from time point of view and efficiency, DDM has been brilliant. Secondly, DDM gives us confidence in our data that we know that it is more error-free. Incorporating our workflows into DDM has also enabled us to achieve that, because now we can have more robust workflows that don't take more time, because we don't need to create paper copies, we don't need to collect paper signatures, but everything goes through DDM, everything is electronic, traceable and auditable. So we've gained both time and quality in our designs.